If you've ever opened a Word document and noticed your content jumping onto a new page for no reason, you're probably dealing with a page break. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove page breaks in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. This is a super useful skill if you want to clean up your formatting, fix spacing issues, or make your document flow the way you want it to. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the document that contains the page break you want to remove. Once your file is open, we need to reveal the hidden formatting marks so we can actually see where the break is located. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and 8 at the same time. This will turn on paragraph marks, and you may also see hidden symbols appear throughout the document. That's completely normal. These formatting marks help you spot page breaks, extra spaces, and other invisible layout elements that can affect your document. Now look through your document and find the line that says Page Break. Word usually displays this as a dotted line with the words Page Break in the middle. Once you spot it, click just before the page break line. This part is important because you want your cursor placed directly before the break so Word knows exactly what to remove. After that, press Delete on your keyboard. The page break should disappear immediately, and your text should move up or flow into the next section of the document. If nothing happens, make sure your cursor is positioned correctly and that you are clicking before the break, not after it. Sometimes there may be more than one page break in a document, especially if it has been edited a lot. In that case, repeat the same process for each one you want to remove. Just press Ctrl, Shift, and 8 again if you want to hide the formatting marks after you're done. This will clean up the view and make the document easier to read normally. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove page breaks in Microsoft Word. It's a simple fix, but it can make a huge difference when you're formatting reports, essays, letters, or any other document. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.